Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro provides the ability to author Revit models in the cloud concurrently with other team members, regardless of physical location. This is the same Revit Cloud Worksharing feature available in Autodesk BIM 360 Design. In this example, you and another member of your team are working in the same Revit model. When you attempt to change the positions of a few walls on the ground floor, you receive a notification that your colleague currently owns those design elements. You can request permission to take ownership of those elements to make your design change. Upon receiving your request, your colleague can preview the design elements that you need to borrow and grant you permission to take ownership. Once permission is granted, you can modify the wall positions. You may also use Worksharing display modes to visually distinguish work-shared project elements. Available modes include Checkout Status, Owners, Model Updates, and Work Sets. In this example, you enable the Owner mode. This highlights the elements that you and your fellow team member have borrowed and helps you avoid conflicts when working near each other in the model.